Kimberly Marsh here with Oric of Boca Raton, run by VacMD. New product Tuesday. Bam. Hizero. It's the 4-in-1 Bionic Mop. What does 4-in-1 mean? 4-in-1 means it cleans up dry, wet, it mops your floors, and it self-cleans. And I'll throw a fifth one in there just for it. It kind of dries it too. It doesn't leave it very wet. So I'm going to demonstrate it for you. It's very lightweight. I weighed it. It's only 10 pounds. Easy to use. To use it, you just step anywhere near the front and pull back on the handle. Your handle has your on-off switch, and you have two settings. I usually keep it on the high setting. Did I mention it's cordless? Cordless. No cord. It lasts for about 60 to 80 minutes on one charge because it has a lithium-ion battery. Who cleans that long? If you do, we need to talk. You need better cleaning tools, okay? So, to turn it on that way, and we're gonna put it on too. Now here I have some debris. Do you have pets at home? Do you have kids? Do you have cereal? Let's look at the debris. Let's look at what it's going to pick up. So this is the dry stuff. You have your pet hair, you have your cereal, anything else that might be on the hard floor. There's a mail guy. Say hi, everybody, to our mailman.
Hi. This is the mailman.
All right, but it also picks up wet. So if there happens to be wet along with your dry, it's still going to pick it up. You can pick them up together. I'm just doing it separately for demonstration purposes. And then it's also, there's water continuously cycling over the roller. The roller will then always be clean. You can't say that about your mop. And if you can get close to the floor, you can see the floor is almost completely dry. Pretty awesome. Now, how do you use it? Lenore's gonna zoom in while I show you how it's used. You have two different tanks here. You have your, hi there.
Hi, how are you?
Good, we'll be right with you.
Okay, no problem.
I'll tell you guys, no worries here. Go ahead and help. All right,
Sure.
so we have two different tanks here. The top tank is going to have your clean water. So that's what's recycling all over your brush roll. Bye, mailman. And then we have the dirty water. So you see all that water that I just sucked up is now in the dirty water section. And you empty that. What's also nice is it separates the dry and the wet. So you saw the dirty water, and now you see all the debris in here. This little tray, you can buy new trays, but and you'll see there's a little water in there. Don't worry about that. That happens sometimes. It's no big deal. It's not going to ruin anything. See the brush roll here? This helps pick up all the debris. And then, let me turn it over. This is as exciting, but so this is the roller. It acts like a dog's tongue and laps up your dirt and water and debris and liquids. So, and then water recycles over this all the time to keep it clean and dry and clean for your floors. So if you need a mop, we have one. If you need something to clean up your dry surfaces as well, we have two. All in one, it's amazing. Come into the store. We have them in stock, ready to sell you. Have a great day. Bye, guys.